In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build smart systems in Airtable with no-code logic and automations. First, log into Airtable on your desktop and open the base where you want these smart workflows to live. Starting inside the right base keeps your settings and changes in one place. Before building anything, scan your workflow and spot the repetitive parts or places where you're making the same decision over and over. Things like assigning tasks, flipping statuses from in progress to done, sending notifications or calculating scores are perfect candidates for automation and logic. Next, make sure your tables and fields are ready. Use single select or multiple select for status fields, so options stay consistent. Link records to model relationships like projects to tasks. Add formula fields for calculations or conditional logic. A clean foundation prevents errors later and makes your automations easier to maintain. Now add conditional fields with formulas to do the thinking for you. For example, if status completed, done, pending, gives you a tidy summary status. If priority high, today, can stamp today's date when a priority is high. And if score 80, pass, fail, instantly evaluates performance. These formulas replace manual checks and reduce mistakes. Open the Automations panel in the top right and select Create an Automation. You'll choose a trigger next, such as when a record is created, when a field changes, or when a condition is met. Quick note, there's a link to Airtable at the very top of the description so you can open the site or app and follow along step by step. Add smart actions that fire automatically. You can update fields based on conditions, send notifications or emails to keep people informed, create new records to kick off downstream work, or move tasks between tables or views as they progress. Configure each action carefully so the right fields are updated at the right time. Test your setup with sample records. Change statuses, tweak priorities, and verify that automations run, formulas calculate correctly, and notifications arrive where you expect. Fix anything that looks off before going live. When everything checks out, turn your automations on and monitor the first few runs. Watch the activity logs, confirm real data behaves as your tests did, and fine-tune triggers, conditions, or actions for edge cases. Finally, maintain your smart system. Periodically review formulas, automations, and workflows, and update logic as your process or team needs evolve. A little upkeep keeps everything reliable and efficient. That's how you can build smart systems in Airtable using no-code logic to streamline workflows and automate decisions. Thanks for watching.